class. Today we are going to be using the app called Starfall. So we're going to go to this website here. We're going to click this link, and we are going to be doing grade 2 math. We're going to be using this app right here instead of all of these ones. I know there's a lot to choose from, but we're going to click the base 10 cubes. I'm going to press play.
How to build a robot. 10 ones in each row. 10 rows in 100.
So we are going to be building a robot today. So we're going to click next on this button here. And we have 3 places we're going to count how many are in each one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1 blocks. So we're going to click the 3 button.
3.
In our tens place, we have 1, 2, 3 blocks of 10. So we are going to be
3 rows of 10.
And then in our hundreds place, we have 1, 2 blocks. So we're going to click 2.
2 squares of 100. 2 in the hundreds place. 3 in the tens place. And 3 in the ones place is 233.
Awesome. So then after we get this first one, we are going to click the next button. We have another problem to solve. So we're going to look in the ones place. So there's 1, 2, 3.
There's nothing in this column.
So if you listen to what the man said, there's going to be 0 here, so we're going to click the 0 button. And in the hundreds place, we have 1, 2, 3 blocks. So we're going to click 3.
303.
I love the little robot noises. So then we're going to click the next button again. This is the last one we're going to do together. So there's 0 here. There's 0 here. And there's 1, 2, 3 blocks in the hundreds place.
300.
Awesome. Now we're going to click the next button. So here we're going to add everything up together. So 3 plus 3 plus 0 equals 6.
6 in the ones place.
In the tens place, we have 3 plus 0 plus 0, which equals 3.
3 in the tens place.
And then we have the hundreds place, so we have a 2 plus 3 plus 3, which, if I'm doing my math correctly, should be 8.
8 in the hundreds place. 836.
Awesome.
Good job.
Addition.
Now we can build a robot.
Yes, so now we're going to build the robot, so we can click between the pink bucket or the blue bucket. I'm going to pick the pink bucket just so we can see what that looks like. And we're going to listen to a nice rendition of Kangaroo from Carnival of the Animals, which is a great song. It's a great piece of music, for sure. So look, we built our robot. So now it's going to take us to a little maze. So we can use these arrows here, We have to find our way through the maze. So go here. So if I follow my mouse along this way, I'm gonna find that, oh, there's a dead end there, dead end there, so we can't go this way. So we're gonna have to go this way regardless. So let's do that. And then again, if we go here, it's a dead end, so we have to go that way. Oh, I go up first. And then we can either go straight, but if we follow the mouse, it's a dead end there, so we're going to go down. And again, mouse over here, dead end. So we're going to go this way, add a dead end again, and we made it! Awesome. So that is going to be how you're going to play the game. You're going to play the Starfall exercise to work on your base 10 blocks and your addition. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you guys.